How to use Clickfunnels 2.0, the complete guide 2023. Today we wanted to bring you our updated all-inclusive tutorial on the exciting new Clickfunnels 2.0 software. Clickfunnels 2.0 is packed to the brim with new and improved features that will take your online marketing game to a whole new level. So, what's new with Clickfunnels 2.0? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's chock full of innovative features like funnel hubs, blog builder, visual automation builder, and team collaboration. It's also got membership sites, and the list goes on. So, here we are in the members area of Clickfunnels 2.0, and as you can see, we're starting with a clean and sleek dashboard. It's got a handy checklist of things to do, basic sale analytics, and total leads tracking. Moving on, the blog builder is a game changer. Clickfunnels 1.0 wasn't built for SEO, but with Clickfunnels 2.0, you can now optimize your website and blog for SEO and rank on Google. That's a huge advantage. Then, we have an exciting feature, the Course Creator. This handy tool lets you set up your funnels, workflows, emails, products, and more. And, of course, there's a section where you can complete your payment gateway. As we dive into the sites and funnels area, we find an array of tools to customize your site. One thing to remember when choosing a website theme is to select one that you'll be happy with for your entire business, as your funnels will carry the same theme. We want all our marketing efforts to be congruent. The blog area allows you to edit everything as per your liking. This flexibility, combined with the SEO optimization, is a game changer. Moving on, we have the Customer Center, a brilliant feature that lets you see your business from the customer's perspective. For those of you interested in affiliate marketing, the Affiliate Center is where you can recruit affiliates for your products. Then, we move on to the funnels, where you can create your funnels with plenty of different recipes available. Finally, we have the Analytics section, a treasure trove of information to help you understand your sales, course progress, page views, and more. This section gives you a detailed overview of your business performance, helping you make informed decisions. The team collaboration feature is another exciting aspect. It's built for businesses that work with teams. With this tool, you can share your funnels, collaborate on projects, give access to your team members, and manage their roles and permissions. It's all about working smarter, not harder, right? A notable mention is the Membership Sites feature. It's a tool that lets you build your own membership site within Clickfunnels. You can create different membership levels, add lessons, drip content, and much more. It's an excellent tool for those who want to create a recurring revenue stream. Clickfunnels 2.0 also provides superior support for its users. There's a comprehensive knowledge base with articles and tutorials to guide you through every process. And if you need any further assistance, you can reach out to their customer support, which is available 24/7. In summary, Clickfunnels 2.0 is not just about creating funnels, it's about creating and managing your entire online business. It's a platform that aims to simplify your life as an online entrepreneur, giving you more time to focus on what matters most, your product and your customers. And there you have it, a quick tour of Clickfunnels 2.0. It's an exciting time in the world of online marketing, and we're thrilled to be part of it. We hope this tutorial has given you a good idea of what's in store with Clickfunnels 2.0. Remember, the only way to truly understand the power of Clickfunnels 2.0 is by getting your hands dirty and trying it out for yourself. So, take advantage of that free trial and start exploring today. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Get our awesome bonuses. First, sign up for a Clickfunnels 2.0 free trial using our link, https://ifggo.pro/cfunnels. Then, email your receipt to eifelgod+trial@gmail.com. We will send the bonuses right away. Thanks for watching.